Greeley, would you like to empty the dishwasher? Do you want to put the stuff away from the dishwasher?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh boy. What is that one? Nice. Thank you. No, it doesn't go up there. You don't have to put it up there. What's the next thing? Where does it go? What else are we going to get out? Knife. That's right. Thank you. A bowl. It's a bit tricky, isn't it? Bowl. Thank you. Oh, good job. Thank you. What's next? Is that a big bowl?
Yeah.
Wow, thanks. Whoa. This is a citrus squeezer. Do you want to know where it goes? Where do you think it goes? Just take a guess. Where do you think it lives? You're right. It goes up here. Okay, Mommy's going to... Oh. Good job. Thank you. All done. Yep. Close it up. All right. What's next? Knife. Thank you. Oh. That one goes up here too.